Hi, this is George Galanidis. This short video is about constants, variables, and computer programming, or how to bring mathematics to life. In Ontario's wonderful mathematics curriculum, grade 3 students use variables in various contexts. Variables are the heart of algebra. Variables capture change and represent it mathematically. When we ask people to describe algebra, they often say something like, algebra is about finding the missing number. Some examples they offer are blank plus 5 equals 12 and 2x minus 1 equals 9. However, these examples are not algebra. They are computations. And blank and x are not variables. Blank and x are constants. If you compute their values, blank equals 7 and x equals 5. The Canadian educator Carolyn Kieran describes algebra as the study of relationships among quantities that vary. And quantities that vary are what we mean by variables. The beautiful thing about the Ontario Grades 1 to 9 mathematics curriculum is that it integrates computational tools that enable grade 3 students to experience variables dynamically. The teacher gives this code to grade 3 students and asks them to run the code and discuss and share what the code does and how the code works. The essence of this code is it repeats 4 times, walk 100 steps and turn right. Notice that the number of steps walked is a constant. How might we alter the code for walking a square so that the bug walks a spiral? Notice that the number of steps walked in the spiral varies. Grade 3 students solve the puzzle by writing code like this. Walk 100 steps, turn right. Walk 110 steps, turn right. Walk 120 steps, turn right. But they're not able to do it using a loop. And they don't yet know how to use a variable in Scratch. Here is one solution to the puzzle. Notice that the number of steps walked is a variable. The teacher gives this code to grade 3 students and asks them to run the code and discuss and share what the code does and how the code works. The teacher then asks grade 3 students to alter the code so the bug walks each of the following spirals. What changes when we use Scratch? Scratch represents the bug's walk dynamically, and mathematics comes to life. The meanings of constant and variable become understandable even by young students without losing their conceptual complexity. This is what we mean by mathematics with a low floor and a high ceiling. Students develop mathematical and coding knowledge incidentally as they engage playfully to solve puzzles. What mathematics is, how it is learned, and who can learn it changes and is revitalized. Mathematics becomes worthy of our attention.